As concerns in the coronavirus outbreak continue to grip our nation, a sense of false confidence has started creeping among residents in the country. This confidence has led to some of them letting down their guard in regards to implementing the measures in place to fight COVID-19. The residents expressed that due to the reduced numbers of positive cases and the recent distribution of vaccinations, they hope that the pandemic is coming to an end.
It's just reminding them that the pandemic still exists, even if the vaccine is here. The preventive guidelines should be tightened. That is one thing that should change. Even though there are less positive cases, there is still people getting infected.
Schools continue to tighten preventive measures to ensure that classes will not be cancelled again. This is mainly because they are aware of the impact it has had on them in the past.
We have student volunteers that help us in enforcing the preventive measures in school. We continue to encourage people in general to follow the guidelines and ensure that people understand that this virus is not a joke. People should constantly remind each other in this.
On a daily basis, primary and secondary students are seen holding hands and without masks on after school hours on their way home. The Mukaranje Sector Executive Secretary says that the preventive measures are being followed accordingly, and this is because the local authorities play a key role in ensuring their compliance. For the traders, we have asked them to work at a 50% capacity of their staff. For instance, if they have 10 staff, they should operate while they're 5 and have rotational shifts. Secondly, they should have several wash stations to cater for their customers. The Ministry of Health is constantly urging the public to continue the efforts in preventing the spread of COVID-19, even after being vaccinated.
Where the country stands is not bad. The number of those vaccinated is still quite low. Even though the vaccine has come, it does not mean that the virus will disappear immediately. Ever since we began the vaccination rollout, the positive cases have reduced in number, and we have been able to keep it that way. We've been lucky as a nation that we haven't gone back into lockdown like other countries. But that doesn't mean that the fight against the virus is done.
The current number of cases in the country stands at 21,419 confirmed cases, 19,795 recoveries, and a death toll of 301, while 350 people have been vaccinated. Gabby Muvunyi for RTV.